Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through some common questions that are asked for a newly qualified family law role. Whether you're preparing for an interview or you're just curious about the interview process itself, this video is going to help you. This video will give you insights on what to expect and how to approach questions so you can answer them confidently. So let's get started now. Question 1. Why did you apply to work with us? Now I expect this question because it's a really common question, and I've been asked this question so many times in my interview process. The interviewer wants to know, why is it that their firm stands out to you? Now when you answer this question, be specific. Mention to them about their awards that they've achieved, any of their values, mention that. Be genuine, be honest, and mention that in your interview. You want your interviewer to know what genuinely attracted you to that company itself and to them. For example, if the company has been awarded with an award, highlight that. If it's, for example, if it's for Law Firm of the Year, highlight that to them. Let them know that you've been researching and you have researched about them properly, about what they have achieved. Because what this shows is that you are genuinely interested, that you've done your research, you are genuinely interested in their success in that company itself. Question number 2 is, tell me more about your family law seat in your training contract. Now if you've done a family law seat, then share that, share your experience, share the legal work that you've done, share the cases that you've worked on to show them what family law work that you have been doing on your training contract. Now even if you haven't done family law seats or your training contract wasn't split up in seats, that's okay. What you need to demonstrate is the legal work that you have done, especially within family law, so you can show the legal work that you have done up until this point that has prepared you for the role that you are applying for and you're interviewing for today. This is also an opportunity to showcase your legal skills. So whether it's, as I just mentioned to you, that it's the family law experience that you have, even all the experiences and the legal work that you have done in other areas of law, showcase the ones that are appropriate and applicable to family law to present all your skills that you have, that you bring to the table. And that's the ones that are applicable to family law especially. Question 3. How would you describe yourself working with others? Now teamwork is key in any legal environment, and that's what your employer is trying to find out, or shall I say the interviewer is trying to find out whether you are a team player. Now this is your opportunity to showcase your skills of being supportive, highlight that you are approachable, and the fact that you are willing to collaborate with your team members. Let your interviewer know that you are easy to work with and that you are also focused on getting your job done at the same time as well. Question 4. What is your biggest achievement? Now here you talk about something that is tangible, whether you've raised a lot of money for charity or you successfully handled a complex case. This question is an opportunity for you to show your accomplishments with confidence. Question 5. How do people describe you? Now this is your opportunity to show off your personality from somebody else's perspective. Now always be honest and mention that the feedback that you've received, whether that's being hardworking, detail orientated, or even being reliable, whatever the feedback that you have received, mention that in this question. Question 6. Would you be willing to network? Now when you answer this question, it's a simple yes, but back it up and provide examples too. Now whether that is that you know of networking events that you are willing to, why you are willing to, that will really help the interviewer to know and be confident that you are willing to network. Now you can share with your interviewer that you've been actively networking, whether that's been for a couple of months, couple of weeks or couple of years, and also mention the events that you've attended as well, and the fact that if you have been able to bring in clients or have the ability to bring in clients, make sure you mention that in your interview. Question 7 is, how do you manage your workload? Now, prioritization is key. Show how you tackle your difficult cases, whether you use a list or the fact that you have effective time management to get that difficult work done on time. Let your interviewer know that you are organized and you do meet deadlines, and you're also able to handle multiple cases efficiently. Question 8, what skills are required for a solicitor? Make sure to mention key skills such as attention to detail, empathy, negotiation, especially in family law, such as empathy, because these are crucial emotional intelligence skills that you need for the role. Question number 9, can you describe a time when you faced difficulty and how you handled it? Now, this is a chance for you to share your story, whether it's you dealing with a difficult negotiation with a client or dealing with a high pressured case itself. Make sure you explain the steps that you took to resolve the issue and what you learned from that as well. Now, the final question is question 10, which is, what attracts you to our company? Always make sure that this is specifically tailored to that specific firm that you have applied to and you're going into that interview for. Make sure it's very specific and tailored to them. Now, in your answer, mention about their commitment to growth opportunities, to self-development and their reputation itself. But make sure you are doing your research so that you are able to personalize that research that you've done on that firm to answer the question that they have given you. Now, remember, interview questions is not just about answering the questions itself. It's also about who you are and what you bring to the table. So when you go into the interview, make sure you are calm and you feel confident, and make sure you go in fully prepared for that interview. Now, I hope these tips help you on your journey to becoming a newly qualified family law solicitor. Now, if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below, and I wish you the best of luck. Thanks for watching the most common questions asked for a newly qualified family solicitor role. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with anyone who is applying for and preparing themselves to go into an interview for a newly qualified interview position.